Let's say you want to use hotkeys to speed up the design process. Click on Hotkeys in the lower left corner, and then you can see all the actions that we can do with your keyboard. Scroll through, and you can see the command and the hotkey on the right side. For example, to zoom in, click on your artboard, and then click the plus sign. To zoom out, click the minus sign. And scroll through. You can see some common actions like copy, which is Command C, and paste, which is Command V. And as you can see, we've copied it. To delete, press the delete key. To group something together, click on the objects you want to group. Then press the Shift key and click, and the Shift key and click. And from there, Command G. This will group them all together, so they move. To ungroup them, press Command Shift G, and you can move them separately. As you can see, there are many commands to choose from. Sign up for free on Simplified.co to start using hotkeys to speed up designing now. See you there!